Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at how to make money from affiliate marketing in 2023. Like I always say, affiliate marketing remains one of the easiest and best way to make money online. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our video whenever we release it. All right, let's dive deep into the topic of today. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply selling other people's products or a company's product for a commission. That means you sell a product that you didn't create that belongs to another company, and you earn a commission whenever you make a sale. So you are acting like a middleman between the customer who will buy the product and the owner of the product. That's the company that created the product. So what you did doing is to market the product and get paid whenever an actual sale is made. Please note, there must be an actual sale before you can get paid. All right? Okay, so what are the things you need to do to be able to make money from affiliate marketing? I'm going to be dealing with 7 things that you need to do, right, to be able to make money from affiliate marketing in 2023. Number 1 is choose a niche. Choose an area, an industry, a place where you want to play. If you're going to promote a product, that product must be around a niche, around an industry, around an area. Of course, that niche, that area must be something that you are passionate about. Why do I say passion? Because if you choose something for the sake of just making money, chances are you may get tired along the way, and maybe because the money is not coming as fast as you wish it comes, you get tired and you fall off. But if you choose something around an area where you are passionate, you're going to stay put waiting for the money to come, because of course for something that's valuable, something that will make sense, it normally take just a little while. Okay, so choose a niche, an area where you have a lot of passion, that you are passionate about. Number 2 is find an affiliate program around that niche, around that area where your passion lies. There are several affiliate marketing programs, thousands of them created by several companies. Of course, there are platforms that can help you find this affiliate marketing program. Number 1 of those platforms is Impact Radius. Impact Radius. I'll leave a link on the description for all these platforms, and of course, you can go check them out. Impact Radius is number 1. Another one is ShareSale. ShareSale is another affiliate marketing platform or marketplace where you can find products around several niches, several industries. Another one is Commission Junction, right? Commission Junction is one of the best and another powerful platform where you can find any product around several industries. So these 3 platforms are one of the biggest and one of the best. There are other ones which I can tag like, standalone platforms. Platforms like Amazon, they are the company, they are also promoting products. You can sign up as an Amazon affiliate and sell products across several industries and be able to make money from them. Of course, you can choose any of these to get started. So, having chosen your affiliate marketing program, the next thing is to define your audience, right? If you are indeed going to make money in affiliate marketing, please note what I'm telling you. Audience is at the heart of it. One of the reasons why so many persons don't make money from affiliate marketing is that they don't have an audience. They don't have an engaged audience. They don't have people that are willing and ready to buy this product from them. So defining your audience means you need to find out, okay, who are those who are going to be interested in this, my area of passion, this niche that I've chosen? Who are those who are going to be interested in it? So defining that audience will save you a lot of stress. Okay? After defining the audience, the next thing is to determine the platform you are going to use to reach that audience. Of course, when you know the audience, you can now know which platform are they hanging out. Are they on Facebook? Are they on Instagram? Are they majorly on search engine like Google? Is it website I'm going to use? So defining the audience is critical because it's going to determine the next steps you're going to take. So after that, defining your audience, you determine the platform, all right? Then build this platform. Okay, so if you need to create a website, you now need to build a website. If you need to open a social media handle on Instagram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on YouTube, you're not going to, build the platform. That means you're going to create these handles where you are going to reach your audience. All right. So after determining the audience and building the platform, the next thing is to create valuable. So number 5, the next thing is to create valuable content consistently. Mark the word I used, consistently. All right, that means you have to create content that will appeal to your audience, right? And it has to be consistent. The reason for this content is that is what will bring your audience to you on these various platforms which you have determined. Whether you are doing it on social media or you are doing it on your blog, this content must be valuable and consistent. That way, they will love you, they will come back for more, they will engage with you, and you can now leverage on this engagement to be able to sell that particular product to them, of course, which will lead to sale and which will lead to money coming into your pocket through commission. Okay, next is to drive traffic to the platform, right? When you create content, it is not enough to create good content, valuable content. The next thing is how many persons know about this content, how many persons are coming to this your platform. So you have to drive traffic to the platform through organic and paid. Organic means you are not paying any money, you are using search engine optimization to get people to know about the content and consume the content. Paid is like you are spending money to bring people to the platform. Whether you are using social media or you are doing website and blog, you can use both strategies. That means you are posting organic content or you are using paid. That means you are spending money to bring people. Either way, both of them are okay. But for a new business starting, I always advise use organic. That means you have to create something valuable and get it across your audience. Start with the people who already know you. From there, you share it with them and they will in turn share it with other people. And from there, more and more people will discover you. Of course, those content must be optimized, right? They must be optimized around keywords. Whether it is search engine, whether it is social media, you must make sure you optimize the content so that more and more people who are interested in what you do, they will discover you. Okay, the next one is leverage on consistency. All right. You will say, why am I always saying consistency? Now, why I'm saying leverage on consistency, what I mean by that is that if you implement this process up to this point, chances are that if you are not seeing the kind of money you desire within the time frame you feel is enough to get you that money, you may become discouraged. That's what I'm saying. First of all, I talked about being passionate. Now I'm talking about consistency. Consistency means you have to keep doing it, right? Over and over again. You keep doing the same thing over and over again because you are building momentum. If you build that momentum, after some time, your result will be compounded. You are no longer going to be getting normal results. You need to get compounded results. So as you share this thing, remember to embed your link. Yes, the link they gave you when you signed up, all right? Because after building the platform, after creating the valuable content and driving traffic, the next thing is that, of course, you've already chosen an affiliate program. That link that they gave you when you signed up for that affiliate program, you have to share it. In your blog, you embed it, right? Embed it in the content you have created. For instance, you are reviewing 2 products, like I said earlier, you can embed it when you say buy this one or when you say get the product here. The link is there. On your YouTube channel, in the description, you add the link to your affiliate product so that your audience, when you tell them, oh, this product is good, this one is valuable, they can now know how to get to the product by clicking on your link and getting there. If you implement this, making money from affiliate marketing is simple and straightforward. Where the major work is on building the audience. I'm sure you've gotten value from this video as usual. If you have, what do? You like and share the video, and of course, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, you are missing a lot. Go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our video whenever we release it. I'll see you again in another exciting video.